Traders, just a quick video. We're looking at the NAS100. It's fairly overextended. We've got a distribution range up in here on the daily, and we have this bearish imbalance resting through here. Let's take that, mark it up, imbalance on the daily, and we have this thin candle here. Look at the candle left, candle right, imbalance daily. I'd be looking to get involved if we see I'd like to see a retrace back up in through here. That would be a setup. Otherwise I won't be getting involved. Be careful, today's Monday. We could see some volatility and some aggressive moves into liquidity, like these stops, for example. We have retail traders short here and resting liquidity all through this range, ripe for the picking. So that's my take on the NAS100. Guys, click the link below, jump on board our free Telegram, and with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, see you in the next one.